This is our second session looking at the Historic Environment Wales Bill. Our first panel of witnesses are the Welsh Local Government Association and other local government representatives. We will then hear from the 4 Welsh archaeological trusts. We look forward to hearing what witnesses have to say about this very important subject here today.
I think it brings clarity, coherence. We know there is a legislative framework already in place. It does seem to work quite effectively, but I think this the bill provides additional clarity and coherence.
Well, we do think the bill is needed. It's a welcome measure which streamlines and strengthens a variety of legislation relating to the historic environment, enhances the definition and protection of scheduled monuments, and it makes the processes for dealing with listed buildings and scheduled monuments more coherent.